Let's see the formal learning activities in IT industry. Number 1. Induction Program. An induction program is a process used within many businesses to welcome new employees to the company and prepare them for their new role. Induction training should include development of theoretical and practical skills but also meet interaction needs that exist among the new employees. Number 2. Coaching. Coaching is becoming a very popular means of development and often includes working one-to-one with the learner to conduct a needs assessment, set major goals to accomplish, develop an action plan, and support the learner to accomplish the plan. The learner drives these activities and coach provides continuous feedback and support. Number 3. Mentoring. The focus in this training is on the development of attitude. It is used for managerial employees. Mentoring is always done by a senior inside person. It is also one-to-one interaction like coaching. Number 4. Job rotation. This can be one of the most powerful forms of development, allowing learners to experience a broad range of managerial settings, cultures, and challenges. It is a process of training employees by rotating them through a series of related job rotation. Not only makes a person well acquainted with different jobs but is also deviates boredom and allows rapport with a number of people. Rotation must be logical. Number 5. Job instruction technique. Job instruction is a method for how to train new or experienced employees who must use new or improved technologies in their jobs. A. To develop step-by-step constructions. B. To know when the learner has learned. C. To be diligent in many workplace environments. Number 6. Apprenticeship. Apprenticeship is a system of training a new generation of practitioners of a skill. This method of training is in vogue in those trades, crafts, and technical fields in which a long period is required for gaining proficiency. The trainees serve as apprentices to experts for long periods. They have to work in direct association with and also under the direct supervision of their masters. Number 7. Understudy. In this method, a superior gives training to a subordinate as his understudy like an assistant to a manager or director. Example in a film. The subordinate learns through experience and observation by participating in handling day-to-day problems. Basic purpose is to prepare subordinate for assuming the full responsibilities and duties. Let's see informal training in IT industry. Number 1. Lectures and conferences. Lectures and conferences is the traditional and direct method of instructing. Every training program starts with lecture and conference. It is a verbal presentation of a large audience. However, the lectures have to be motivating and creating interest among trainees. The speaker must have considerable depth in the subject. In the colleges and universities, lectures and seminars are the most common methods used for training. Number 2. Vestibular training. Vestibular training is a term of near-the-job training as it offers access to searching new learning. In vestibular training, the workers are trained in a prototype environment on specific jobs in a special part of the plant. Number 3. Simulation experiences. Simulation is any artificial environment exactly similar to the actual situation. The following simulation techniques give a clear idea of learning. A. Case study. Case studies are complex examples which give insight to the context of a problem as well as illustration and the main point. Case studies are trainee, learner-centered activities based on topics that demonstrate theoretical concepts in an applied setting. A case study allows the application of theoretical concepts to be demonstrated, thus bridging the gap between theory and practice. Encourage active learning. Provides an opportunity for the development of key skills such as communication, group working, and problem solving, and increases the trainees' enjoyment of the topic and hence their desire to learn. B. Role playing. Each learner takes the role of a person affected by an issue and studies the impact of the issue on human life and or the effects of human activities on the world around us from the perspective of that person. Nature of learning means the characteristics features of learning. Learning involves change. It may not guarantee improvement. It should be permanent in nature. That is, learning is for lifelong. In short, the change in behavior is the result of experience, practice, and training. Learning is reflected through behavior.